Download onto your iPad. Just click it. Username and password is the same on your reservation system for the web. So as you can see, the view is very similar to the website, but optimized for an iPad. So you have your time, you have the guest, you have the party size, table when they get assigned, and the status. And you can see where they currently are at. Okay, great. If you want to make changes, that's fine. If not, just keep it as is. You can add a reservation over here very easily. So we'll just do
a new reservation. This is basically if someone's called in or left a message. So, and it is optional to put in the email. You don't have to put an email address, but it's good to have that in case they want to get an email confirmation on the reservation. And then obviously you want their phone number, so you can call them
after a certain amount of time. So you have their phone number, occasion, if they want to have, you know, if they're there for a birthday, anniversary, engagement, graduation, something like that. The approver, this is obviously the person. You change the party size, so you want to make it for 6, and then obviously a specific date. You can change the date here if you'd like, time, and then status. Status is typically not confirmed once they make the reservation. Just click save, and there's the new reservation right there. Some of the other features that we have here, you can actually see the notes if you want to create notes for that specific day and let people know. If you want to search for a reservation, we have a search list here. We also have a delete. If you want to delete any of these reservations at any time, you can do that. That's basically it for the book view. Obviously you see the date that's up here. This date is the date for all of the various views that are down here. So if you're on 211 within the book view, you're going to be within 211 on the walk-in, the table view, server, and the notes. Okay, so going back into the walk-in. So this is a really neat feature if the main host is seating reserved seats and there's a co-host that wants to take down people on a busy night, you know, that want to do just a walk-in, a general walk-in. So you just click add walk-in. You know, you can put in their last name and first name, and then party size, and then you want to put in the wait time. So obviously, depending on how busy it is, you can create that wait time for them. So that's added there directly. Now moving on to the table view. So similar to the web view, you have the first squares there with the colors that represent the server. You have over here the chiclets of the actual reservation. So you have the name, the time, and then the T will be for the table when they actually sit, and then P is for the party size. So let's drag and drop this over to here, and as you can see, it turned blue, and that means that they were seated. So if you'd like to actually change that, you know, throughout the night, and you want to walk around and make those updates right away, you can change it, you know, to desserts, and it changes the color. So that way, you get a very up-to-date, real-time view of the entire restaurant, rather than having to. We also have a wait list over here, so if you wanted to, if they were ready, so let's say 6 o'clock was when they had their name in there, you can now drag them over to the open table. There's also, if you want to seat a guest, there's another way to do that, and that's actually clicking on the table itself. By it being gray, that means that it's empty. So if I wanted to add this person there, I can simply just add them there right away. And it shows up blue every time. That means that they've been seated. Yellow means that they have not been seated. The other view we have are the servers. So as you can tell, you can see the tables that they've been set up for, and that was through the web system of those tables. You can actually do it here directly. You can assign them a table. Here's an unassigned table, so we can assign that to them. Click OK, and now they're. Here's the notes section. So if you want to add a note for this specific day, you just click on here and just put, and this is to all the staff. Just click save, and then this will be your notes section for that specific day. Settings simply is just your sync, and then if you want to sign out of the system. But that's it. It's very... Oh, one other thing. On the table layout, you can actually change the different views. So instead of the main floor, you can go to the patio. And it keeps your reservations still over here. If your reservations were to get past this stage, it actually will allow you to scroll down and scroll up. And that's it. It's very, very easy to use, very straightforward and very simple. And just like on the website, when people make reservations on the widget, it's going to be automatically sent to this list.